7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the left leg, stand up and relax. Now turn around, keep your legs, heels touching the wall, back of your heels touching the wall. Just adjust the camera. Back of your heels touching the wall. Take your right leg, one leg distance in front. Straighten both the legs. As you inhale, bend forward, right knee bent, hands in front of you, half a foot in front of the right leg. Slowly lift up the left leg, press the left heel on the wall, both hands on the ground, fingertips on the ground. Now don't open the hip to the side, turn the hip in. Slowly tighten both the legs, lift your head up, shoulder blades open, shoulders pushing back, head pulling forward. Tighten your hip on the left side, keep looking in front, and you just have to stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the left leg down, bend both your knees. Once more, flatten your back. This time inhale, take the right leg on the wall, turn the right hip in, straighten the arms, tighten the right knee, tighten the left knee, keep looking in front, pulling the spine forward, press the right heel firmly on the wall and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release both the legs and stand up. Relax, take a moment. Now stand one leg distance away from the wall. Feet slightly apart, about 2 inches apart. You're facing the wall. From here, you can bend your left knee, take the left foot on the wall. Find the right distance, take the left foot on the wall. And from here, you're going to inhale, take the right hand up near your ear, hold the left big toe, and straighten the right arm, straighten the left leg, slowly straighten the right leg. That's all. Press the whole left foot on the wall and stay there. Left hand by your side or on your hip. Just tighten the right leg, push the left hip down. Keep looking in front at the wall and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Utthita Pada Angushtasana. Again, slowly shake your legs out if you need to. This time we'll take the right knee up, press the right foot firmly on the wall, hold the right big toe with your left hand and slowly straighten both the legs. Keep looking in front at the wall. Keep pressing the right heel firmly, outer edge firmly on the wall. Straighten your back, tighten the left leg. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Come back, and this time once more your heels are on top of the wall, toes down, legs about hip distance apart. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hands in front, Spread the fingers, press the palms. Now slowly tighten your legs on the wall and push your head and chest back and head down towards the mat. Straighten the arms, keep pressing the heels on the wall. Observe your stomach as you exhale. Take about 3-4 breaths there. Inhale, exhale, tighten the arms, tighten the legs, push the hips back. Keep breathing. Now slowly take your right leg up the wall. Toes are inside first. And try to straighten the right leg. Keep the left leg straight. Keep pushing back towards the wall. Tighten the right hip. Right leg should be straight on the wall. You're doing 3-legged downward dog. One leg is on the wall. Keep breathing. Hold it there. Now see if you can turn your toes out on the wall and push it up a little higher and push back a little bit more. Keep straightening the legs and hold it there. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Observe your stomach as you exhale. Straighten both the arms. Arms will stay strong. And slowly exhale. Release the right leg. Keep the right heel on the wall. Reset your down dog. Inhale and slow exhale. Normal breathing. Relax the breath. When you're ready, bend your left knee. Take your left leg up the wall. Left toes on the wall turned in. Press the right heel. Firmly tighten the right leg. And start tightening the left leg, straightening the left leg. Keep both the legs straight, push backwards towards the wall. Keep breathing as you stay there. Don't hold your breath. And don't change the position of your hands. Keep breathing, keep straightening both the legs, pushing the body back towards the wall. Now turn your toes out on the left foot, toes into the wall. Lengthen the leg little bit more, lift it little higher. Keep straightening both the legs, pushing the chest in, staying strong on 3 points. And slowly exhale, left leg down, knees down. Sit back in Shashankasana. Relax there. Relax your shoulders, relax your arms and legs. Just take a moment to check your breath and how you're feeling in the hips and legs. Slowly come up, turn around. This time we'll keep our hands against the wall, your index finger and thumb pressing against the wall. Tuck your toes in and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet about 2 inches apart. Straighten the arms, straighten the legs, push the hips back. Now inhale, lift both the heels up. And from here you just have to lift your right leg straight up to the ceiling. Again 3-point down dog with the right leg up. Point your right toes. And when you are stable, press the left heel on the mat. Push backwards, keep tightening. Feel the right hip pulling up and back. Watch your stomach as you exhale. Keep the arms strong. And slowly right leg down. Again inhale and exhale. Slow down your breath. When you're ready, once more both the heels up. Inhale, take the left leg straight up to the ceiling. Press the right heel on the ground. Stay strong. Lift the left hip towards the ceiling. Keep pulling it backwards. Tighten the left leg. Tighten the right leg. Keep breathing. Keep the arms strong. Slowly left leg down. Knees down. Shashankasana. Once more relax. Relax your wrist, shoulders, arms, hips and back. And slowly come up. We lie down on the mat. Press your heels against the wall, feet against the wall. Straighten the legs. Now from here, keep your hands by your side, chin down. You will inhale and take the left leg straight up. Right leg straight up. Hold the right big toe with your left hand. Keep your chin down, don't push the chin to the ceiling. And then right hand to the side, slowly pressing the left foot on the wall. Take the right leg across the body, how much ever possible, keeping the left arm straight, right leg straight. Turn your head completely to the right side. Right leg has gone to the left side. Feel the stretch right through your buttock and the back of the legs. Keep breathing as you hold it there. Straighten the leg, straighten the arm. Tighten and hold. It's a very good stretch for ladies, especially for the sciatica nerve also. Keep breathing. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back to center. Now bend your left leg. Place the right ankle on the left knee and push the right knee away from you. Keeping the legs in this position for just for a few seconds. Keep your chin down. Keep pushing the right knee away from you. Now inhale and pull up the left knee and take your hand through that little window there and hold behind the left thigh. Keep your head down. Keep pushing the right knee away from you and pulling the left knee towards you. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Feel where you are able to observe the stretches in the hips, in the buttocks, in the thighs, wherever you're feeling it. Observe it and try to make it a little bit more. And slowly release. Now from here, keeping the right ankle outside the left knee, just drop the right knee to the left side, turn your head completely to the right side, pull your knee towards the ground using the left hand, twisting and holding it. Turn your head to the right side, again feel the stretch right through the right side of the body, through the hips and buttocks, pulling the knee towards the ground and hold it there. Your right shoulder should not lift up, it should stay on the ground, back of the right shoulder. And slowly come back to center. Once more, stretch the legs out, press the heels on the wall. This time, tightening the right leg, inhale, take the left leg up and hold the left big toe with the 3 fingers of the right hand. Hold it there. Keep your head down, keep your chin down, left hand to the side. Inhale, and as you exhale, straighten the left leg and take it across the body, pressing the right foot on the wall. Turn your head to the left side, bring it down as much as possible. Does not have to touch the ground, but keep the legs straight, keep the arms straight. Keep breathing and hold it there. Feel the stretch right through the buttocks and the hips. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring it back to center. Bend your right knee. Take the left ankle on the right knee and push the left knee away from you. Hold it there for a few seconds. Feel that hip as you press the knee away from you. Now from here, inhale and hold behind the right thigh. Interlock your fingers. Pull the right thigh towards you and push the left knee away from you. Keep breathing. Keep your chin down, head down, and hold it there. Observe once again where you're feeling all the stretches through the hips, the buttocks, the thighs, wherever it is. Keep pulling the knee in closer, right knee closer, left knee away. And hold it there. Keep the hips relaxed, don't tense up the hips. As you exhale, loosen the hips. Now keeping the left ankle outside the right knee, twisting slowly to the right side. Pull the right knee down, make sure your left shoulder, back of the left shoulder stays on the mat. Turn your head completely to the left side and hold it there. Keep breathing. Keep pulling the knee to the ground. Once again, observe where you're feeling the stretches. All very good for the lower back and the sciatic nerve, especially for women. Keep the hips relaxed. Don't tense up the hips. Keep the legs also relaxed so that you can use the breath. With the exhale, pull closer to the ground. And slowly release. Come back to center. Stretch your legs out. Feet little wider. Stay in the same position. Hands in chin mudra on the ground. We start with Om chanting. 5 rounds. Keep your eyes closed. Relax the body. Inhale. Continue on your own. 4 more rounds. Breathe in. Last 2 rounds. Inhale. Last round. Breathe in. Slowly stop, feel the vibrations. Relax the body on the mat, keep your chin down. We'll do 5 rounds of Ujjayi breathing. Use the throat muscle to push the breath out, making a whispering sound. Keep the exhale longer than the inhale. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more rounds. Continue on your own. Inhale. Two more rounds. Breathe in. Last round. Inhale. Exhale fully. Normal breathing, hands in Chin Mudra. Observe the breath, observe the state of your mind, state of your body. 3 rounds of Brahmari. Keeping the eyes closed. Inhale. Breathe in. Last round, inhale. Slowly stop. Observe the vibrations. Release the Chin Mudra. Take your legs little wider apart, toes out. Eyes remain closed. Eyes rolled back, gaze between the eyebrows. Lips gently closed. Just relax the whole body into the ground. Just follow your breath for the next 15 to 20 seconds. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body. Bring some movement to your toes and fingers. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend your left knee, turn to the right side. Keep your head on the right hand, left hand in front of you. Supporting yourself with the left hand. Come up to a sitting position. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Keep your back straight. Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhagave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Do Namanasana. Inhale, come up and palming. Rub the center of your palms nicely together. Feel the heat. And then press the palms on the eyes, creating energy, taking it back into yourself. Slowly open your palms, blink your eyes, and namaste. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you, ladies.
Limit testing.